I'm Jing from Peking University, the School of Journalism and Communication. I'm very happy to attend this conference. It's very interesting and really broadened my eyes. You know, I used to live in Beijing. That's the center of China. But when I come here, I found that the position changed, and the center became Himalaya. So a lot, I think the location changed, and then our ideas also changed. That's the first thing I want to say. And the second, that in the past we pay more attention to economic development, economic GDP, something like that. But here we change our attention to other things. For example, some human nature, harmony, how to protect the civilization, civilizational diversity, etc. So I think it's very important for us to communicate with scholars from other disciplines. So I think we need to improve it and to have more development for academic development.